Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Christmas ornaments by using a Vevor heat press and these Christmas ornaments that I ordered from Amazon. So let's get started. Okay, so today we're going to use this small 10 by 12 Vevor heat press. This press is perfect for small crafts like Christmas ornaments, car coasters, earrings, keychains, you know, just small items like that. It's easier to work with, it takes up less space. And I'll put the link to this in my description. You can purchase this from Amazon. It is a Vevor 10 by 12 heat press. And it's pretty easy to operate. You're just gonna put it together, you know, set this box on here, and it just slides right in a bracket right here on the side. And then we're gonna adjust our pressure by turning this knob up and down right here. And we just want light pressure. It doesn't have to be where you push it down really hard. And then we're going to turn this on, and you just flip the switch on the side. And when this is the first time that I'm actually using this. So when I came on, it was already set for Fahrenheit and everything. But to do that, to set your temperature, you press the set button, and you'll see SP, which is set point. And then you can see this is in Fahrenheit, the little red light by the F. So for these ornaments, we're going to use 370 degrees, set it at 370, and you just do that by pressing the up or down arrow until you reach 370. Then you press the set button again, and this is set time, and we're going to use 60 seconds. And again, you just press your up or down arrow. I got it set for 70, and when you press a set again, you can switch it to centigrade if you want to. If yours is in centigrade, just press the up or down and it'll switch it to Fahrenheit. But if everything looks right, you press the set button again, and we'll just wait for that to get up to 370 and continue on. Okay, so I ordered these ornaments from Amazon. I'll put a link to these also. They're just double-sided MDF ornaments. Now, before you sublimate on them, make sure that you peel off. There's a plastic film, and I mean, you can barely see it. And it's on both sides. So make sure you peel this film off before you sublimate on them, because if you don't, it's not going to turn out. Just like that. Both sides, just peel it off. Now, I've already peeled the film off of this one right here. And this is the one that we're going to use to show you how to sublimate. So we don't need these right here, so I'll go ahead and put these aside. So I'm going to show you how to sublimate on this one right here. I've already printed out my designs, one for each side. And so, I mean, you can just cut these out. Make it a little bit easier to work with. You don't have to like trace around the image, just cut them out like this. Like I said, I've set my press for 370 for 60 seconds. Okay, now we're going to take this image and we're going to place our sublimation blank on it, just like this. And I'm going to take some tape. I love this tape dispenser. It just cuts it where I need it. And we're just going to put a piece of tape right there. And a piece of tape right here, just to hold it into place. Okay. Now, we're pretty close to temperature on our press right here. So we're going to take this, and we're going to place where the paper is on top, just like this. Make sure you have butcher paper underneath of it. And then we're going to put some butcher paper on top of it, just like this. And then I am close enough where I'm going to go ahead and press this. So like I said, it's going to be for 60 seconds. So once you get your press down, you press the down arrow and it starts counting down. And I'm not going to make you wait 60 seconds, so we'll fast forward this and see you when it's done. Okay, we're getting down to the last few seconds here. Press your down arrow, that'll stop the timer. Let's open it up. Swing it around. This small press is so nice. It doesn't take up much room and it doesn't hit the wall. And it has suction feet on the bottom too that holds it in place. So let's see how this is going to look. You might want to wear gloves. You can wear gloves when you do this. I kind of get used to not wearing them. See how that looks? Very nice. So what we're going to do is you can let it cool down. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. They cool down pretty quickly. So we're going to just place this down like this. Now when I print my image, I print it slightly larger. What I do is I measure this with a tape measure. And then I add 1/4 of an inch. That way you don't have a white line around the inside of your design if you make your design too small. It's best to have it a little bigger than too small. That way you don't have that white line around the edge. Just tape it the same way as before, just so it doesn't move around on you. And then we're going to take and set it face down with the sublimation paper on top. Don't forget your butcher paper on the bottom and your butcher paper on the top. And we'll just swing this back around. We're still at 370. It holds temperature very well. 370 for 60 seconds. We'll go ahead and start it. We'll let this go 60 seconds and continue from there. Okay, we're coming down to 60 seconds. We're going to press the down arrow. Lift up on our press, swing it around. Take off this hot top sheet right here. And actually I'm going to turn this off because we are done. And we'll take this. Like I said, you can let it cool down a little bit if you want to. It's pretty warm. And we're going to peel this off of here. And here. And there you go. I could have done better on the design at the top, but I just made something up real quick to make this video. But there you go. There's your double-sided Christmas ornament. You can put pictures on it. You can put any image you want to put on there. You can pretty much put on there. Family picture, baby, a dog, you know. I just grabbed an image off of Google real quick, and then I copied it over to my design, or my design software, and I just printed it off. Here's another one I did earlier. It's just on a round. You get different shapes, but you just tie your string or your little hook through the top there, and that's how you make Christmas ornaments. And like I said, this press is perfect for that. It's small enough to where you can do those Christmas ornaments. And again, I'll put a link to this press in the description. And please like and subscribe. I have other videos showing how to sublimate different items. And thanks for watching.